Subtracting fractions, estimation strategies, item 94244. Angelique makes 5 4/7 quarts of chili. Why is she measuring her chili in sevenths of a quart? Does she have a measuring cup with sevenths marked on it? Where did she get this measuring cup? Anyway, she and her family eat 2 1/4 quarts. Use estimation to complete the statements below about Angelique's chili. All right, let's look at the math helps. This one is kind of long.
Let's try an example problem using whole numbers. Suppose Angelique makes 6 quarts of chili, and she and her family eat 2 quarts. The remaining chili is 4 quarts, so this would fit in a 4-quart container. Now let's look at the information given in your problem. Angelique makes 5 4/7 quarts of chili, and she and her family eat 2 1/4 quarts. You need to estimate if the amount of chili left will fit in a 4-quart container. Think about the example picture when explaining how you know if the remaining chili will or will not fit in a 4-quart container.
It's a long one, but it's actually a pretty helpful one, and I like that it's not a robot voice this time. So, if they made 6 quarts of chili, and they almost did, 5 4/7 would be almost 6. If they made 6 quarts and ate 2, then there would be exactly 4 quarts left. See here, this would be a 4-quart container. But they didn't make 6, they made 5 4/7, which is almost 6. So they made this much. And they didn't eat 2, they actually ate a little bit more than 2. So if the chili level went from here down to here, would that fit in a 4-quart container? The answer is yes. It will fit. You can see, can we still see it? No.
Let's try an example.
You can see if they ate down to this level, it's lower than the 4, but we have to explain why with the drop downs. It will hold the remaining chili. I know this because 5 4/7 is, well, in the example, it started out with 6, and it would barely fit in a 4-quart container if they had made 6 quarts and ate 2 quarts. But they made less than 6 quarts. So 5 4/7 is less than 6. Plus, they actually ate more than 2 quarts. They ate 2 1/4 quarts. So it would fit because 5 4/7 is less than 6, and 2 1/4 is greater than 2. So it would fit in a 4-quart container.